Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to transform this loop into this using the Thickify distortion plugin from Rocket-Powered Sound. Now, full disclosure, this video is sponsored by Rocket-Powered Sound. However, I spent quite a lot of time with the trial version of Thickify before deciding to do this video, and I'm honestly a big fan of the plugin because of its unique distortion algorithm. Bear in mind, it's the only type of distortion plugin I'll be using in this project, including inside the soft synths. This is an updated version of the plugin with a range of new features, making it incredibly easy to use. I'm going to demo it on a range of different instruments just to show how versatile it can be. So first, I'm going to try it on this drum break from my mini breaks pack. So you can hear how with just a few seconds of tweaking, this drum break sounds fuller and hits harder. Let's listen to a before and after. Unlike lots of other distortion plugins, Thickify's advanced algorithm helps make sounds more aggressive without sacrificing their original quality. However, one of the things I like about the plugin is that you can use it to change the character of a sound dramatically too, like I'm going to do with this bass. I've split this into a clean sine wave sub and a top patch using EQ3s, and I'm going to distort the top patch. So within the plugin, there's this main thickness knob, which adds saturation. Then you can tweak the tone, which I noticed can really change a sound's timbre, particularly with square basses like this one. Then we have the drive, which you can use to add even more aggression. And the stress parameter is the input gain. So you effectively have 3 different controls to influence the distortion. As I know, I have put a filter later on in the chain because I wanted to tame the ultra high frequencies as I would do with any saturation plugin. So this is with and without Thickify. Really helps the bass feel way bigger. One of the new features in this version of Thickify is oversampling. Saturation can create harmonics above the level of human hearing, which can then fold back into the audible signal, causing distortions. But oversampling helps to eliminate these, leading to a clearer signal. I'll link another video with a more in-depth explanation, but let's just demo it here. So with oversampling off, 2 times, and then 4 times. This difference is fairly subtle, but the distortion definitely sounds cleaner and the bass sounds fuller as a result, particularly on the 4 times oversampling. I'll just demo some more applications of Thickify on some Omnisphere pads. It just helps give the pad that much more character. And now there's other pads. And in this case, Thickify helps the pad cut through the mix so much better. These are just the sounds I've chosen to use with Thickify. You could even try it on a guitar or anything else, but it works particularly well on harmonically rich but aggressive sounds like the drums and bass I showed you earlier. So click the link in the description now to make your music fatter with Thickify, and you'll receive 3 bonus sample packs, including a trap melody pack. There's also a 7-day trial, so you can decide if Thickify is for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And thanks to Rocket Powered Sound for sponsoring this video.